metric system is based on units of 10, so let's start by talking about the three base units first. Grams are the base unit for measuring the weight of an object, liter is the base unit for measuring liquid volume, and meter is the base unit for measuring length. Let's start with a good mnemonic. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk, not pasteurized. Maybe? Now let's look at what each part stands for. The K in king stands for kilo, which means 1,000. The H in Henry stands for hecto, which means 100. The D in died stands for deca, which means 10. The B in by represents the base unit, gram, liter, or meter, and is equal to 1. The D in drinking stands for deci, which means 0.1. The C in chocolate stands for centi, which means 0.01. The M in milk stands for milli, which means 0.001. The last part, the M in maybe, is used more often in medication measurements. It represents micro, which is 3 places smaller than milli, or 0.000001 away from the base unit. Now let's talk about switching between metric units. First, the base units must match or it won't work. Let's say we have 1 gram of a medication and we want to know what that is in milligrams. The base unit gram is our B in by, and milli is 3 places to the right. Remember, when you have a whole number, the decimal point comes at the end of that number, and adding zeros after it doesn't change its value. Since milli is 3 places to the right of the base unit, we move the decimal point 3 places to the right. So 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams.
If we want to convert that same 1 gram into decagrams, notice that deca is 1 place to the left of the base unit. In this case, we move the decimal point 1 place to the left, making 1 gram equal to 0.1 decagrams.